Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are back in the dining room. This is my new favorite spot to film because the lighting is great right now, so we're going to enjoy it. Today is Friday. Yay, we made it to Friday. It's October 25th, and that means it's also the 5th day of our cruising through the holiday missions. So we are on to mission number 5, and that is to face your budget. So for the Fly Lady's mission today, she just wants you to sit down for 15 minutes, grab your favorite cozy beverage, and just start making your gift list and working on your budget. So make a list of the people you expect to buy a gift for, what your budget is for that person's gift, and just get all that in order, get it figured out. You can also think about any food items that you would need to buy. So if you're gonna bake, 18 batches of cookies and you gotta buy all those supplies, factor that into your budget as well. Or if you're hosting Thanksgiving dinner or you do a big Christmas party and you need to plan for buying those food items and drink items, then factor that into your budget also. So by preparing and planning now, we're just getting things in order, and we're not surprised when we get to Christmas and we've had a chance to think about it ahead of time, which is always good. So that is your mission for today. Go set your timer, sit down with a piece of paper or your holiday control journal. If you haven't printed it yet, that's okay. Today's a great day to do it, and sit down. There's a budget section in the back, and you can use that along with her little gift list section and just start working on your budget and your gift list and get those things down on paper and figured out. So, or in your phone if you like using digital, that works too, whatever is your best mode of keeping things organized. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you on Monday for another Cruising Through the Holidays missions. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And leave me a comment below. Have you had a chance to make your Christmas budget yet, or does this just seem way too early? And even if it does, I still want you to start thinking about it, because it will help just to get some of this worked out now, and then you can just have your plan and go through your next couple of weeks getting things checked off your list. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.